Page 234, there's a number 1 at the top of the page. For this page and the next is some reading exercises and the keys that we're studying here. The 2 flats, 3 flats, and 4 flats. I'll just go through the process for learning a piece of music is all I do. I look it over, it's 2 lines long. Treble bass clef, 2 flats in the key signature. So it's either in B flat or G minor. We're studying the majors, so I can tell you it's in B flat major, but do the scales for both and the arpeggios. If you don't know the scales and arpeggios, just go up 1 octave. It's fine, in my opinion. Once you know them, you can start doing 2 octaves, but I think it's better if you just take it a little bit at a time. You don't need to spend a lot of time on scales and arpeggios. Just regular, like daily or almost every day, a little bit. That's what really helps, in my opinion. In my opinion. And what do we got? 6/8 time. All right, that explains all the 8th notes. Take it 1 hand at a time. Right hand, they want here. You don't want to be up in here. You do that. But again, when there's a lot of flats in the key signatures, that doesn't work, but we'll see. I'm going to start here and see if that helps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I can do it here. I can do a thumb under. So I can stay out here if I want to. However, you can go ahead and be in this position if you want to also. If you're going to transpose this to another key, it's probably easier if you stay in this position, because then you can just play the same fingers you're playing here. Because out here, your thumb is under and you're using different fingers. It gets tricky. The second line's similar. It's just a scale going up. That's all it is. However, it's not the scale fingering. The actual scale fingering is where you hear your thumb will play the C. That's what it is. So again, you keep your hand out here. So, but this fingering's good exercise. That good exercise. Left hand's got the chords. The 1 chord. It's not a 4 chord because it changed. It's actually a 2 chord and then a 5/7 chord. You would expect it to be a 4 chord, but it isn't. They switched it. They do that sometimes. Put them together, it's here. So put the hands together and then I get rid of the hesitations. And once I do that, I think about the articulation. The left hand, you just play it. We have here. Lift up. Putting in the phrasing, like taking a breath. Okay. Dynamics, MF, whatever that is. Mezzo forte, that's the melody. These chords need to be solved. Speed, allegretto. I think I already did that already. It's in between moderato and allegro. It's the feel of it. Huh? Moderato would be that. Because you have a problem in 6/8 time, and how do you feel it? Do we want to feel the 6 beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, then you're going to slow it down. 1, 2, 1. Well, you want to feel the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to decide how you want to feel it, and that the overall feel of the piece is going to be sort of fast. Allegretto. That's my allegro for now, and who knows what happens later. They want you to transpose this to C major. So we're going from B flat major to C major. So we're going up 1 note. No sharps or flats, all white keys. So we're 2, 5/7 here now. So this melody, I'm playing all the notes in the music, just 1 note up. So instead of a B, I'm playing a C. Now, in the last two measures here, you don't have to use that fingering because they're all white keys. You could do it, you can put the thumb on the F here. But it's usually easier, I suppose, in transposing if you're just using the same fingers. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Now, I'm probably going to use different fingerings. I keep experimenting with fingering, so don't get confused. You can use the fingering in the book, is fine. I'll give us 6 counts because the beat is on 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go.